Hello, thanks for watching the video. So today we're going to be putting a belt on this yard machine edger. It's actually by MTD, 140cc, overhead valve, 6-step position. It looks like that. Looks like that. You'll need this number to order the belt, and it's very important to get the right size belt. Okay, so my old belt is like right here, and I had no idea that it was going to break, and so it just broke into a bunch of pieces. I think I've had it for like 5 or 6 years, so it's the only belt. So we're going to put a new one on today. Let me show you the new belt. Here's the size of the belt. This is a V belt. Flat on this side, it's got a V side here underneath. Alright, so I've got my tiller up here like this. You want to make sure that you're not going to be leaking any gas or oil by doing this. I don't even have any gas in there. You don't have to do this. I'm just making it comfortable for myself because it's not really that easy to do this. So you got to make sure you have good access to the idler pulleys here, the main pulley here on the motor, and then the pulley here. And my pulley's broke. Should be okay though. And we have this tensioner spring here, which puts the correct tension, pressure, pounds, I guess, for the belt. All right, and then we have the main blade here. And again, that's the pulley for the blade. So, yeah, what I'll do is we need to get the belt on first. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. All right, so yeah, for putting the belt on, what I'm going to do is take these bolts off right here. Four of them. And what's going to happen is this whole assembly here, this whole blade and the spring should come off. The guard, all that should come off as I take the bolts out. That's what I want to do. So let me grab my wrench. And I am using a 3/4 inch wrench for this. And not that tight. It's a good thing. Okay, so I will continue to get the rest of these off. Making one up here. And I'll get back in just a few seconds. Okay, got all 3 of these pretty much out, so we've got movement here now because we still have this attached, but it's only attached by this top bolt here. And let's go ahead and take it out now as well. I thought I might be able to put my belt on by moving it, but I'm not going to be able to, so we're going to have to take this whole assembly off right here. No big deal. Let's see. Yeah, this might be one way to take the belt off if you're replacing the belt and the belt is still on there. You may want to do this, and you may be able to swivel it like this to get it off by hand. All right, so let me set you up on a tripod. Okay, here comes that final bolt. All right, so just being caught up by this flap here, but there we go, we're good. Make sure you don't lose your bolts. All these bolts are the same size, by the way, so we'll just set this down for now. All right, so what we have to do is we have to get our belt in between here, this little lobe right here. It's not going to be any easier to do it down here. You could do it down here as well. So, all right, over here. So there's not a lot of room. That's why it's critical to make sure that you have the right belt. Okay, the right number. Again, that's the number. Okay, so I'm going to use two hands and try to slide the belt on. All right, here's our belt, flat side on the outside. I'm going to try to squeeze it in between here. Heck, you may even try to get some little bit of lubricant. All right, see, I'm about to get it on. There we go. All right, now we'll have to do it up here. Yeah, right up here. Same thing. Actually, that's not bad at all. Okay, down here as well. It's the same distance, so we just got to take our time, put that on. Okay, it's on. All right, now let's get it on the main motor pulley right there. All right. All right, so you see how I put it through there? Now we have to take the top side, put it through as well. Okay. All right. Okay, so what I've done is we've got it on the motor pulley. I've got it like this right here. See how we've got it down on the bottom of these idler pulleys. Nothing is above. And we're going to have, I wish I probably should take this off. There's a way to do that real quick. Okay, so yeah, we have the flat part on the bottom pulley, and we have the V part that's going to be on the top pulley. Okay, it came out. So, all right, that's how we should be right there. Okay, like that. Just like that. Then we're going to do a twist to put this on the blade pulley. Okay, so now we have to put this blade assembly back in place. I'm going to use two hands for this. What I'll be doing is putting this on the pulley first, and then I will line up one of these bolts with my other hand. We just need to put this on the blade pulley right here. We're going to go ahead and put that on. If you can see that off camera. Okay, so now we have to line up one of these holes, one of these bolt holes, and that's where it's going to get a little bit difficult. Okay, all right, so I want you to see that I haven't even really tried to pull anything yet, and look how close it already is right there. So I'm just going to need to kind of maybe put my foot down here and just use my other hand. See, I'm almost got it started right there, and I haven't even done anything. See, look, it's already lined up basically. but it's going to be kind of cockeyed, so I don't want to strip it out. So I'm going to try to kind of angle it a little bit better with my other hand and get that bolt started right there. So see, we're already basically lined up. I'm just kind of pulling this towards me here. Really can't see what I'm doing, but look how it's already pretty much lined up. It's just cockeyed. All right, so I got it started. All right, let me grab my wrench. All right, so we're looking at this one right here. I've got that lined up. I'm tightening it. I want it to come through the other side. So I know I'm straight on now. We'll take it a little farther. Alright, I think that's good enough. So now we'll work with the other three and line them up. As you can see, there's one here that we're going to have to push this up. That way we'll be compressing the spring here. So probably need to like put my foot right here and just push this forward with my other hand. Just try to feed it in to the hole on each one of these. But yeah, it's really not that hard to push. Okay, so that's the idea. And if you've got good lighting, you'll be able to see when the bolt touches the hole. In this case right here, we've got to go back a little more. I don't know if you can, I can't really show you that, but it's definitely not lined up, but it's not too far away. Okay, I think I've got it. I can't really see because I don't have good lighting. All right, so we're in. Okay, so that's two. So yeah, we have two. Here's one right here that's not in yet, and there's one more up here. It's not in yet. Can't really see that one, but see, as long as we can kind of see it, which it is hard to do, we can pop that in as well. But so that is that one, and we've got these two in. I'm going to put this in a little bit more, and all I'm doing is just pushing here, putting my foot down here. It's really not difficult to do. So far anyway. We're going to go for the last one, which is right here. And we even have that one in place now. So yeah, that was pretty easy. Make sure that yeah, they're all in place. Maybe not. Let's see. All right, definitely there now. Oh, yeah, it jumped in position by itself. This one's not in place. I don't have good lighting, so I really can't see where that hole was at, right in here. Let me let you see. Yeah, see how far off I am here. That's the final one. I thought that was in place, but it wasn't. But all the other three are, so I'll just need to push here and finally line it up. But it's not far off. Really isn't. But all the other three are engaged here. The more I tightened these three up here, this one finally fell in place. So all it is now is just tightening these good and snug, and we're finished. I'll let you see the belt in just a second here. Go ahead and continue to get these nice and snugged up. All right, so here we are finished. So I was pushing here with my right hand, actually holding the camera now, and with my other hand I was lining up the bolts over here. Now I was looking through here to do that kind of. Wearing eye protection is what you want to do, because this spring here is very strong. If that were to explode or something, and I wasn't stressing it out that much, but you know, anything can happen. So yeah, if you're putting your head over it, definitely wear some protection. So we're finished. So there's the belt on. My pulley's broke, remember? Okay, so yeah, it goes down like that. Flat part there on the bottom idler pulley. And then on that top one we've got the V, and then goes under, and again flat part on the top, V on the bottom, V flat. It's really not that hard. Okay, so what I've learned, if you have an edger or any kind of machine and you've never replaced the belt before, take a picture or a video of how the configuration is, so it'll be easier to put back on when it does break or when you need to replace it. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.